Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you how to integrate Ollama with Autogen. With Ollama, you can add large language open source models. Let's get started. I have already done a beginner's tutorial in regards to Autogen. I will link that in the description below. We have already covered how to integrate text generation web UI with Autogen and LM Studio with Autogen. The structure of the code will look pretty much the same. First you import Autogen, then you add an API base. If you don't provide this API base, it'll automatically get it from ChatGPT. Then you create LM config, which has a timeout and config list. Assign these settings to the assistant. LM config is equal to LM config. Assistant is the bot. User proxy is the user, that's me, who is talking to the bot. You create the user proxy agent, setting the work directory. Then you can initiate a chat with the question, write a program to find even number. To integrate Ollama with Auto Agent, we use LightLLM. Now we are going to set up LightLLM and integrate that with Auto Agent. Go to terminal, conda activate Autogen. It's for activating the virtual environment which we have already created in the previous video. Then pip install LightLLM. Click enter. Now LightLLM -- model and then mention Ollama/Mistral and click enter. Now you can see the application is served under 12622 port number. I'm copying the URL and then going to the app.py file and changing the API base and saving it. Now open another terminal. Keep the previous terminal running. Here we're going to type python app.py. Enter. Now you can see our Autogen app talking to Mistral. To check which model it's using, I'm going to type another question. What is your base AI model? And then start the application again. Here you can see, hello, I am large language model trained by Mistral AI. That's it. You are using Mistral AI through Ollama. As simple as that. I use the port number 12622, the whole URL like this. You can also use port number 8000 and copy this URL. Please do write if you have any questions in the comments below. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.